Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be making pancakes, diet as it's popularly called. Without further ado, let's get into the video. First, put 3 cups of flour into the sieve and sieve it into the bowl. Next, add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Add 5 spoons of milk. Mix properly until it's well incorporated. Add 2 cupfuls of vanilla essence, that is vanilla flavor, and 5 spoons of sugar and salt. Mix until it's well incorporated. Crack 2 large eggs. Add warm water and add pepper if you desire. Add warm water bit by bit to make it form a very smooth batter. Add onion if you desire. Mix properly and set aside. In your frying pan, add little oil. Let it heat a little bit, then add your batter. Style as you desire. Once the side you added into the pan is heated and done, flip to the other side and let it cook. Cook until golden brown. You can do any style you want with your pancake batter. Once that is done, set aside and it's ready. Bon appetit! If you like this video, give it a fat thumbs up and comment down below if you have tried it and how was it. I hope it's good. See you guys in the next video. Bye.